So here we have the Vauxhall Astra on a 68 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have plenty of boot space there. We've also got that 60-40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. On the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the centre at the top, we have the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauges. Beneath that, you can see a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change that information for various different bits of trip computer info using the controls on the indicator stalk. We can also access our other menus from here as well, as you can see, and you can cycle through any of those back around to the beginning again. We back out to the steering wheel. On the left hand side we have cruise control, speed limiter, forward collision warning system as well, and then we have our stereo and phone controls on the right hand side. The phone controls can only be used after you pair the phone up to the car, and that is done on the touchscreen in the center just here. Hit the phone and then you would search for device and follow the instructions on screen from there. When it comes to audio, we have got AM, FM and DAB radio, USB input. You can also stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio once you've paired up your phone. You can connect up your phone via USB for certain Vauxhall-friendly apps. For example, Apple CarPlay is available on this car. And then you've got various settings within that section. We have the main volume for the stereo just here. Working our way down, we have the air conditioning. You can adjust the temperature, fan speed and direction of the air. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off. Back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly in here, depending on the temperature you've set, of course. We have some storage below that. You can put the car into sport mode. We can turn our traction control on and off. You can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic, which in turn will save you fuel. That system is turned off when that orange light shows. You can also turn on or off your lane departure warning system from here as well. We have a 6-speed manual gearbox and then a 12-volt charging socket down here. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Mach 1 Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.